Are you trying to choose between EQ Bank and Simply Financial? You are not alone. Many people wonder which one is better for their banking needs. In this video, we'll compare these two online banks to help you decide. Both EQ Bank and Simply Financial offer convenient online banking services. They both focus on making banking easier for you without the need for physical branches. Let's start with EQ Bank. It's known for its high interest savings accounts. You can earn more on your savings compared to traditional banks. They also offer no monthly fees and free transactions. This makes it a great choice for those who want to grow their money without extra costs. Now let's look at Simply Financial. This bank is part of the CIBC group. It offers a range of services including checking accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. Simply also has a user friendly app that makes banking on the go easy. Their focus is on providing a full banking experience without the fees. So, what are the main differences? EQ Bank shines with its high interest rates, while Simply offers a wider range of banking products. If you want just a savings account, EQ Bank might be the way to go. But if you need checking and other services, Simply could be a better fit. When it comes to pricing, EQ Bank has no fees, which is great for savers. Simply also has no monthly fees but may have some charges for certain services. In the end, if you are focused on saving money, choose EQ Bank. If you want a complete banking experience, go with Simply Financial. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.